Welcome back. So today we got a couple things going on. Let me show you. Well, we're pulling the intake again. And the valve covers again. Because I've got... get open. Well, not that, but down in there, got my fuel injectors to put in. And I think I have a solution for my valve cover oil leak starting to get kind of annoying. So let's get all this ripped back apart again and get those things tossed in there. So, going through my tools, where the is my 10 millimeter? Crisis averted. Got my 10 mil. And here we are yet again at the valves. So what I'm doing is these spacers are causing me a lot of grief. So let's not get the fuel injectors everywhere. I got these instead. They're a heck of a lot thinner. And I'll still have the clearance that I need to clear my valve covers. Now I'm not reusing these valve covers because they're bent, so I got these. These are my other valve covers, the ones from the Mustang that will be going on. So letting the paint cure right now in the sun, hit it with a few more coats, might wet sand it, not sure yet. They're only valve covers after all, and they're pretty buried. I just didn't want them to rust. So don't need to look the best, just need to work. So here is my solution to my valve cover leak. I've got the Mustang valve covers and this little 1/2-inch spacer. Comes with these seals. Now one thing I did have to do is right here on this front corner, you see how it has these little tabs? Well, they're all the way around. And when I was test fitting it, right down here, that tab was hitting my alternator. So I had to cut it off of each one. But this should solve most... Oh. Hopefully that didn't blow a fuse. Did I get that on video? You guys see that? Fucking hit that? Whoops. But this should hopefully take care of the issues that I've been having with oil leaks from my valve covers. Let's not hit that again. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. There, now we got this in here. It fits nicely. So that'll take care of a lot of my tools falling over from wind. Take care of a lot of my issues from oil leaks. And look how much more clearance I have right here. That's so much nicer. Oh my. All right. Now I just got to do the same thing on this side. I need to finish cleaning up the sealing surface, and then those are next. Okay, so valve covers are on with the new spacers. So this is how it goes now. It's all bolted in. Kind of see that there. They use Allen's now. That one skipped on me, so don't worry about that. That's fine. But look how much room I have now for my EGR. It's amazing. Clearance is a little tight at the front of the alternator right there. I did have to modify the oil fill, so hopefully the angle of it's not too extreme to where it hits my intake elbow after the throttle body. This side, pretty straightforward, same deal, but I had to cut it right there to clear that, and it's still barely touching right here. It'll be fine. But that should take care of my oil leak. Same deal on this side. You can't even see it because the exhaust is in the way, so you see it back here. You can see there's a gasket, spacer, gasket, valve cover. So that'll hopefully clear these, because I did remove almost an inch from the valve covers, and don't believe there's going to be any clearance issues inside. So yeah, let's get these fuel injectors in. Here we go. So these injectors unfortunately have the wrong plug, so I bought these nifty little adapters to make it work with my harness. Let's put it in its new home. Here's the accels that I had in there. These were temporary. Yeah, you can kind of see right there, 19 pound an hour. That is a lie. These things were running so lean that my fuel trims were damn near adding 30% of fuel on the long trims just to keep the thing running. And anytime I stepped on the gas, I'd watch my air fuel go from 14, 15, all the way up to 17, 18. And if I really tried getting on it, it'd backfire through the intakes. So these are garbage, never using them again. Perfect timing for the trash truck. Anyways, I got these originally to put in here, 24 pounds, Ford injectors. Here's the markings here. I don't think there's any on this side. Oh, there are. Look at that. So I originally got these to put in here, but due to a time constraint, I had to end up buying those. Well, that was a waste of $400. Don't really know what I can use these for, but can't return them. So let's get these put in and fired up.
Maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.
All right, so I have the engine back together. Different valve covers in. Sorry, it's a little hard to see in there. Running the 24 pound injectors. This actually kind of sucked. When I was putting the intake back on, oil fill, the angle is different on the Mustang valve covers to the Explorer. So this is not pushed against there, but it's sealed. I did smoke test it and found a couple of vacuum leaks that I've since repaired. Everything's plugged in. Just doing a last look over. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Nothing's in the belt. Spark plug wires are all plugged back in. They're all plugged into the right spot. Coils are plugged in. Coolant temperature sensor. Let's see what it does. Oh, much better. Click over here. yeah. Would you look at that? She happy now, bud. Got all the fuel, all of it. It's actually running a lot smoother too. Okay. Well, looks like time to pick up my tools, get it out on the street, and make a phone call to my tuner. Yeah, buddy. All right, so here we go. Truck is idling. Sorry for the camera shutter, doesn't play nice. But look at this. Binary editor running through the quarter horse. And then I have a serial adapter plugged into my data chain. And I have it all linked up in the logger. So this is step 1 to tuning. I got this all functional. Be another video tomorrow. I'll be digging into this. I think the truck is good to drive, but I'll wait until tomorrow. It's already a little late. I've done enough for today. So we'll dig into this tomorrow. See you guys. I gotta do it. Ooh, that's interesting to note. Oh, you can see it here too. Oh yeah, it gets very lean on the tip end. Okay, yeah, so driving is not an option right now, apparently. Yeah, I'll revisit this tomorrow. All right. Time to road test. Got the data log going. Drive around.